Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm reviewing the Janet Collection Kindle unit. This one's from their Melt series. So this unit is their transparent natural hairline with a 13x6 frontal space to work with. This unit was provided by Ebony Line, so huge shout out to them and thank you to them for sending over today's unit for me to try for y'all. And I have it in the color 2, so let's just get started with the installation, right? Let's do that. So as you can see, all the lace space in the world to work with. You get an adjustable elastic band as well as adjustable straps and combs in the unit for your security needs. The combs are more so at the two right above your ear. And then as you see with the adjustable band, you could basically take it or loose like a bra strap and make it tighter or loose, whatever you need. So once I put the unit on, the first thing that kind of stood out to me, y'all, was the unit felt pretty darn snug. But let me, kind of follow up on that. I wore the unit 3 days straight after this review, y'all, and the cap didn't feel the same, I promise. Like, it felt like it had so much more room compared to when I first installed it. So I don't know if it needed to stretch or what it was, because I didn't do anything differently. I didn't change the sizing with the elastic band nor with the adjustable straps, but for some reason it's just fitting a lot better. And I kind of think it could be from the fact that I cut the lace off, because sometimes I feel like once you cut lace, the unit kind of like relieves itself, it kind of stretches out some more. So maybe that may be the case. Oh no. But that was really like the only thing major that stood out to me was, God darn, how small is this wig? But right now, I promise you, I feel like I got all the space in the world. So on to the next. So once I got the lace cut off, you guys, in front of me, like in my mirror, that lace was showing. Okay. And I feel like it's showing pretty much on camera too. So I had to go in and put some tint spray on it. But this tint spray was a little bit too dark. So I'm gonna end up having to go over it with some makeup to kind of lighten it up a little bit. But yeah, it was way too dark. So you'll be able to tell that when I put the wig back on. So keep in mind, don't use a dark tint spray like me or one that's too dark. And just keep in mind that you might have to use some type of makeup or some type of product on it if you're like my skin tone or darker, because the lace is a tad bit pale. I'm just going to like comb it out and stuff. And then I thought that I was going to leave it as is with no baby hairs, but that wasn't the move either. I feel like it looks so much better with the baby hairs. It helps make the unit look natural. I mean, they gave you these natural baby hairs, so I'm going to suggest using them, y'all. If you can do it, then do it. Once I combed that hair out though, it was so pretty. Like, I really love the texture of the unit. It has a yucky feel to it, but it's not like super duper kinky. I love the voluptuous layers they have given us in this unit. This unit is full of layers, and that is my go-to with a wig. The one thing I want to throw out, you guys, is that since I have been wearing this unit now for 3 days straight, this is a grab and go easy wig. I promise. Like, I've been wearing it now with no glue. That's another thing, glueless. Super simple to just pop right back on and run out the door. Take it off when you get home and put it right back on before you go out the door. Then I'm just going to swoop the baby hairs. I wanted to just make them like pretty natural, leave them long, because I didn't know like how I would want to style this unit in the future. So I didn't want to do too much to them. And of course, you can't grow them back if you need them to grow back, okay? But I really do love the natural density that they gave us with these baby hairs. They didn't make them too thick. They didn't make them too thin or too long. It's really like a perfectly made baby hair. It still looks fresh even with 4-day wear, because you just have to take care of it is the best way to put it. But overall, how would I rate this wig? It's so cute. And then I've been wearing it so much. I really do like it. I'm going to give it a good 9.8 out of 10. It's dang near 10 out of 10, okay? The unit is real nice, you guys. So definitely try out Miss Kendall herself from Janet Collection on ebonyline.com. Tell them Kaya sent you. But thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate y'all. Thank you to Ebony Line for sending over today's wig. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Let me know what you want to see next. Bye, y'all.